Today, let's embark on an absolute flavorful journey and take you right through Burma. Today's recipe, ladies and gentlemen, is a corn khao suey, and this is me, Varun Inamdar, welcoming you to get curried. Let's begin with corn khao suey. To bring this classic Burmese delicacy into your home kitchen, I'm going to divide this recipe into a couple of components. The first one, of course, is fresh coconut milk. The next step is making a khao suey paste. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. First things first, the khao suey paste. Peeled red onions, untoasted coriander seeds, followed by cloves of garlic, a green chili, followed by untoasted cumin seeds, red chili powder, grain sugar, turmeric powder for that bright yellow color, soy sauce for that wonderful umami. I'm just adding in a couple of tablespoons of cold water, and I'm going to run this into a fine, smooth paste. A paste is done and ready. Well, perfectly done. Now what you can do is, of course, now I'm going to use it right away fresh in its absolute fresh form. What you can do is you can make this extra and you can keep this in the deep freezer. You can either make ice cubes of this, or you can actually keep this in a freezer, a box, and then you can scoop it, cut it into cubes and begin in its frozen form. So tomorrow when you have guests in your house, you have unannounced family coming in, just steal a cube, throw it in oil, add in coconut milk, and you get khao suey ready under literally 5 minutes. Great idea. I feel let's now begin and straight jump in to cooking the khao suey. First things first, oil. Let's add in the khao suey paste. Stir this well. Ensure this paste is well cooked, at least till oil starts releasing the sides of the pan. Just say 2.5 minutes on high flame. Keep stirring. Ensure this does not burn. Let's add in water, a quick little shake. Let's add this in. Add a touch of salt and allow this to roll boil. Time to add in coconut milk. And of course, you can thin it down, you can keep it thick. Choice is completely yours. A quick boil. And with this, of course, the flame. The next step is, of course, to roast an American corn, high open flame. And once this is done, we cut it into little chunks and we serve this in a deep bowl. Now, this can straight go on the dinner table in a deep bowl. Some steamed noodles, this wonderful khao suey curry, fresh onions, fried garlic, green chilies, chili oil. And all you need is now to gather some praises. Bye for now.